You asked, we are answering. Hi, I am Jitendra Gupta, founder and CEO of MyYogaTeacher. I am going to go through all the questions that you've asked. Let's go through them one by one. Do I need any special equipment or setup at home? No, you do not. You do not need any special equipment to do MyYogaTeacher classes. You can start with your phone. You can do classes via laptop. A lot of our people actually take the phone or the laptop and connect it to their TV. They can cast it to their TV as well. So you can start with whatever you have, nothing needed, no speaker, nothing, no external equipment, and then get to the place that makes you most comfortable. Can I try a class for free before paying? Of course, you can sign up for our free trial where you get to try both a one-on-one class and an unlimited number of group classes before becoming a member. To do this, just go to our homepage. There is a try for free button and get started. Can couple or family join the same classes? Yes, you can. You can invite your spouse, you can invite your kids, sometimes even your dogs, to participate in the yoga session with you. It is all possible. In a group class, it's better to have them join on separate devices so that the teacher is able to pay more attention. On a one-on-one class, teacher can actually handle having 2 or 3 people because there are not that many people. How do MyYogaTeacher classes actually work? The way MyYogaTeacher classes work, all our classes are online, live via Zoom. So what you do is you go to our website or our app, sign up for a class, and you get a link from there and you join it via Zoom. You can see the teacher, you can talk to the teacher, and teacher can see you. This is a live session where you actually interact with live teachers and other students if you're in a group class. How is this different from YouTube or other free yoga videos? Our classes are entirely different from YouTube or other free yoga classes that are delivered via video because they are two-way. The teacher actually sees you. You can communicate with the teacher. Our classes are live via Zoom compared to YouTube classes, which are kind of like a broadcast class, where the teacher cannot see you, they don't interact with you. Because of the connection that you have with the teacher, they can correct you, you can ask questions, you can actually get all your doubts cleared and proceed and make progress collaboratively.